Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily go to full screen mode in Netflix. So this one is really simple and straightforward. Just pick a show that you want to watch. So let's say I want to watch this one, click on it, and now it should be like this, where you can see the window up here and the window down. So in order to make it full screen easily, you can just go right here to this icon in the right bottom corner, click on it. Now play your show and keep your mouse steady, and you should see that the show is full screen right now. You will not see it in my case because I have OBS playing, but as you can see, you don't see windows up or windows down, it's just the show. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.